Hello and welcome to Learn English Dialogue. Today we're diving into something super practical: how to speak English confidently while shopping. Whether you're at a clothing store, a grocery market, or a mall, these simple conversations will help you shop like a pro. So let's get started. Imagine you walk into a clothing store and you're looking for jeans. How would you start the conversation? Don't worry, let's practice step by step. Here's a typical conversation you might have at a clothing store. Watch and listen carefully. Hello, how can I help you today? Hi, I'm looking for a pair of jeans. Sure, what size are you looking for? I'm a size 32. See? Simple and easy. Now let me break it down for you. In this dialogue, there are a few key phrases to remember. Let's go over them. How can I help you? This is a common question from the shop assistant. I'm looking for. Use this to say what you want, like I'm looking for a jacket or I'm looking for shoes. What size are you looking for? When talking about clothes, size is important. Practice saying your size confidently. Now, let's learn a few more useful phrases for shopping. Do you have this in another size? How much does this cost? Can I try this on? Now, it's your turn. I'll ask a question, and you respond. Ready? Hello. How can I help you today? Great, you could say something like, Hi, I'm looking for a jacket. Let's try another one. Do you need a different size? Perfect. You can say, Yes, I need a larger size. Keep practicing with these prompts. Let's see a full conversation in action. Watch carefully and then try to practice it on your own. Hello. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today? Hi. I'm looking for a red jacket. Sure, what size do you need? Medium, please. Here's one. You can try it on in the fitting room. Thank you. How much does it cost? It's $50. Great. I'll take it. Simple, right? Now it's your turn to practice. Try repeating these phrases after the video ends. I hope this video helped you feel more confident speaking English while shopping. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn English Dialogue, and share it with your friends. And here's a question for you. What's the last thing you bought? Let me know in the comments below and try to write it as a shopping conversation. See you in the next video. Bye!